How to start a business from scratch. Starting a business feels confusing. You have 100 ideas in your head, but zero clarity on where to begin. Maybe you're scared of making the wrong move. Trust me, I've been there too. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't need millions in the bank to start. You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need permission from anyone. What you actually need is a clear blueprint. A blueprint that saves your time. A blueprint that protects your money. In the next few minutes, I'll give you exactly that. You'll learn how to dramatically increase your chances of success. You'll avoid the mistakes 90% of beginners make. So let's stop wasting time and dive in. Part 1. Which business should you start? This is the first question every beginner asks, and it's where most people get stuck. Good news, you don't need to invent something new. There are thousands of proven business models out there. Your job is simple. Pick one. Adapt it. Make it yours, but there's a trap to avoid. Too many options will paralyze you. You'll keep researching forever and never start. To filter your ideas fast, focus on 4 key variables. Variable 1. Initial cost. Every business needs some upfront money. It could be for tools, equipment, or licenses. Know your real number before you start. This protects you from nasty surprises later. If your budget is tight, go online. Online businesses cost far less than physical stores. Lower risk. Faster start. Smarter move. Variable 2. Required skills. Some businesses demand years of experience. Others only need basic skills you can learn fast. Ask yourself 3 honest questions. Do I already have these skills? Can I learn them quickly? Or can I hire someone who already has them? For example, if you can build websites, sell that skill. There are thousands of clients who need one. Rule of thumb, the simpler the business, the faster you launch. Variable 3. Scalability. Scalability means how easily your business can grow, without your costs blowing up, without your time disappearing. Software is highly scalable. Build it once, sell it to 1 million people. But one-on-one consulting? Limited. You only have so many hours in a day. Pick a model that grows without breaking you. Variable 4. Time to launch. Speed matters more than perfection. If you can launch in weeks, you win. You get real data. You get real feedback. You get real customers. Projects that take months drain your money fast. They also kill your motivation. Pick something you can launch in 30 days or less. Part 2. Know your break-even point. Before you sell anything, know this number, your break-even point. It's the moment your income covers all your costs. After that point, every sale becomes pure profit. The formula is simple. Take all your fixed costs, divide them by your average price minus your variable costs. That's the revenue you need to break even. This number is powerful. It tells you if your pricing actually works. It tells you if your business model is healthy, or if you need to cut costs immediately. Never start a business without knowing this number. Part 3. The problem and the value proposition. Every successful business solves a real problem. If there's no problem, there's no business. So how do you find a real problem? Watch how people behave every day. Listen to what they complain about. Read reviews of existing products. Pay attention to frustration. Frustration is opportunity. Sometimes one idea solves multiple problems at once. That's when you've struck gold. Look at Airbnb. During big events, hotels in San Francisco got too expensive. Some were fully booked. At the same time, many people had empty apartments. 2 problems. 1 solution. Travelers got affordable rooms. Owners earned extra income. A simple insight became a billion-dollar company. Now let's talk about your value proposition. This is your answer to the customer's problem. It's the reason someone picks you over competitors. Imagine busy professionals don't have time to do laundry. Your value proposition could be this. We pick up your clothes. We clean them. We deliver them home. Premium quality. Zero hassle. That's a clear problem and a clear solution. So follow this exact path. Find the problem. Offer the solution. Build a unique selling point. Part 4. Your business plan. You don't need a fancy 50-page document. You're not pitching to investors yet. But you do need a plan. A plan organizes your thoughts. A plan shows you how the business actually works. A solid business plan answers 3 questions. Where are you going? How will you get there? What resources do you need? Break your plan into 4 simple sections. 1. Market research. Who are your competitors? Who is your ideal customer? What problems do they face? How much will it cost to acquire them? 2. Product or service. What exactly do you offer? Why is it different? What problem does it solve? 3. Operational plan. What are your daily processes? Who are your suppliers? What tools will you use? How is the work organized? 4. Marketing plan. How will people find you? How will you turn visitors into buyers? What channels will you focus on? That's it. Keep it simple. Keep it actionable. Part 5. Product market fit. Here's a brutal statistic. 50% of businesses fail in the first 5 years. The number 1 reason? Lack of product market fit. Product market fit means your product truly meets a real need. Without it, you're just burning cash. So how do you actually find it? Step 1. Test small before going big. Don't build the perfect product on day 1. Launch a minimum viable product instead. A simple, stripped-down version, just enough to see how the market reacts. Step 2. Adapt quickly. Sometimes your idea is great, but the execution is off. A small tweak in price changes everything. A small tweak in design changes everything. A small tweak in delivery changes everything. Stay flexible. Stay open. Adjust fast. Step 3. Talk directly to customers. Ask them for feedback. Watch what they actually do. Listen to their words. But trust their actions more. If they're not buying, there's a reason. Find it. The Sean Ellis test. Here's a simple way to measure product market fit. Send your customers 1 question. If our product disappeared tomorrow, how disappointed would you be? If 40% or more say extremely disappointed, you've made it. If less than that, keep tweaking. Part 6. Managing your business finances. The second biggest reason startups fail? Poor money management. Even the best product can die from bad finances. Here's how to handle money like a pro. Step 1. Separate personal and business money. Open a business bank account immediately. Never mix personal and business expenses. It causes confusion. It causes tax problems. Pay yourself a fixed salary from the business. Reinvest the profits before upgrading your lifestyle. First, build the business. Then buy the Lambo. Step 2. Plan your budget. Decide how much you'll invest. Decide where you'll invest it. Decide when you'll invest. Then split your expenses into 3 buckets. Essential, operational, extra. Step 3. Monitor every month. Track your revenue. Track your costs. Track your profit. Watch the cash going in and out daily. A simple Excel sheet does the job. Review. Adjust. Repeat. Step 4. Master your cash flow. This is the most critical point. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your business. Most companies don't fail because they're unprofitable. They fail because they run out of cash. Imagine you invoice $20,000, but clients pay in 90 days. Meanwhile, you owe suppliers $10,000 today. On paper, you're profitable. In reality, you're broke. Here's how to calculate cash flow simply. Take your starting cash. Add your expected revenue. Subtract fixed costs, variable costs, and taxes. That's your real available money. To stay safe, follow 2 rules. Don't tie up money in slow-moving inventory. Always keep a cash buffer of 3 to 6 months of expenses. That buffer can save your business in tough times. Part 7. Marketing and sales. Marketing is the heart of every business, especially online. Without marketing, even the best product gets ignored. Here's a hard truth most founders miss. A great product with bad marketing will lose. A mediocre product with great marketing will win. Marketing isn't optional. It's everything. Focus on the channels where your audience already is. Build trust before you sell. Tell stories that connect. Show results that prove you deliver. And keep improving every single week. Outro. So there you have it, your full blueprint to start a business from scratch. Pick the right model. Know your numbers. Solve a real problem. Plan your moves. Find product market fit. Manage your money. Master your marketing. Now it's your turn to take action. Tell me in the comments. What business are you starting? Or what business are you thinking about? I read every single comment. If this video helped you, smash the like button. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And I'll see you in the next video.